Hey folks, JD here, and two quick little updates, go fly. Two little quick updates about two quads, one of them being the Mavic Mini. So I've had notification from Drones Direct that it is going to be hopefully with me this week. So as soon as it is with me and as soon as I have it in my hand, then hopefully this coming weekend I should be able to fly it, I hope. And then obviously we can get on the channel, we can start to dissect that and have a good look at it and see exactly what's going on. And the second thing is the Fimi X8 SE. I've bought another one just before Christmas. I was talking to Fimi, as you remember me saying. Fimi couldn't really give me any much more information than what we already know about it. So what I've done is I've bought a new one and kept the old one. I want to see what they're both like when their new one arrives. Roughly be about 3 weeks, which is standard delivery. When that arrives, then I'm going to be doing that, taking that up, twisting it around and seeing exactly what we can do. See if the video is better, see if the gimbal is better, see exactly how everything else is with that. And then I'm going to look at them both side by side and see the difference there and see exactly where we can go with that. But I'm, again, quite excited to have both of them. The Mavic Mini especially, because I've been after something like this for a long time that really suits a lot of what I'm hopefully going to be doing in the future. So there we go. So anyway, just a little quick update for you friends. I hope you've all had a great new year, and I shall see you very, very soon. Take care and happy flying.